Hey, it's Rob at EMPI. Hope you're having an awesome summer. Today, we are in Lakeside, California. We're gonna go visit Kline VW Repair. Let's see what's going on. Hey, I'm Rob. You must be Dave?
I'm Dave.
All right, well, thanks for having us.
Pleased to meet you guys.
It's a pleasure to be here at Kline VW Repair. Tell me, how long you been doing this?
40 years plus.
And how did you get started in this? It looks like you've been collecting, you've been working with the community for a long time. How did you get your start?
Well, it's my first car, and I was paying people to work on it, which wasn't working out too well. So I just had to learn how to fix them myself.
Okay.
And then after that, I was washing dishes and not making a whole lot of money. And then when a job opening came over in El Cajon to work on Volkswagens, and I took it. And so I learned a lot over there. And then about 3 or 4 years later, we me and my brother opened our own business.
Oh, wow.
And it was busy.
Okay.
It was busy. We started compiling so much stuff at home, you know, as far as buying stuff.
Sure.
And my dad said, you guys need to find a place to go. And then we did down the road, and we were down there for about 6 years, and outgrew it. And then we've been up here at the top of the hill since around 91.
Oh, wow. So what I'm hearing is you're a Southern California kid. You grew up in San Diego.
I grew up right here.
Okay.
I live here.
So your roots are here, your family's here,
Yes.
you serve the community here. That's awesome. All right, Dave, I can't wait to see what's going on back here. Can you show us?
You bet. This is our teardown area over here.
Oh, wow, there's a lot going on here.
Yes, this is where we take things apart and clean them up.
Great.
Get them ready to be rebuilt.
All right, so this case looks like it just came out of your hot tank.
Yeah, so it's in the middle of getting cleaned.
Great.
And when we get them clean enough, and if they need line boring or whatever, then that's the next step. And then back in the tank again and get them clean and dry and back together in the machine room over here, where we do the engines, the heads, the line boring, milling. We grind lifters, grind the valves, and just a couple things we don't do. I don't regrind cranks. We send those out, cranks and rods, but we do just about everything else here.
So virtually all the machine operations are happening here at Kline in Lakeside, California.
Yes.
I'm very impressed. I mean, this kind of a shop, there just aren't that many of them anymore that are this deep into it. So I applaud what you're doing. Obviously, people can just walk in and buy EMPI parts.
Sure.
So that we like that too.
Let me show you a few things in the back room here that we do.
Oh, okay. We got some engines ready to go, it looks like.
Engines ready to go.
Yeah.
We got this stack here. This is
So this is not a totem pole of engines. These are your long blocks ready to go.
yeah, these are the ones that are a little bit different than your normal single ports and dual ports.
Okay.
This got type 3s, fuel injected bugs, 40 horses, you know, single ports for type 3s and just stuff that doesn't sell as much as the normal. That's why they're here, but they're good to have because people need them.
So these flavors are just sitting here waiting for the right.
Waiting for the right person.
That's amazing. Okay, now what about over here? This looks like a 1600. Tell me about what you got going here.
16 dual port complete rebuild engine with new parts on it, and most of the stuff's from you guys.
Okay.
So we dress it out, we start them, time them, run them for a while, and just to make sure everything's good and got oil pressure, and then away they go. And this one's going back east to a little old lady that doesn't have an engine in her car at all. So.
Well, it's a little late for Mother's Day, but it'll still get there in time.
Yeah.
Now, I think you were saying on this one, she didn't have a core.
She has no core.
She has no core. So you're dealing with people, no core, no problem.
No core, no problem. Okay. And what he can do is, if he finds one, I can return his core price.
Okay.
And I'll give him as much time as he wants,
Sure.
really.
That's pretty damn flexible, Dave.
It's flexible, and it makes people happy.
Okay. Well, this is awesome. So you're going to crate this up. You're going to send it back east. It's been running. Gas has gone through it. It's timed. It's basically plug and play.
Plug and play.
When are you running for Senate?
Tomorrow.
All right. All right. What else do we need to know about your complete engines? How long is the turnaround? When this lady got a hold of you, how long has that process been?
It doesn't take very long.
Okay.
Maybe a day or two. We can have it ready to go.
Okay.
We have all these parts here.
Right. Okay.
You know, and if we're missing something, we can get it quick. You guys send us stuff in a day.
Well, we try to be helpful like that.
Yes,
so, I know Leonard, your account manager, spoke highly of your business. Now that I see what you're all about, this is a very unique shop. And I know there's a lot of Volkswagen fans in San Diego. I know the club scene here is pretty big. Do you build complete cars?
Some, but not a lot.
Okay.
Like I said, they're time consuming.
Sure.
And we have our regular customers that just need to be on the road, which is our first priority.
Sure. Okay, makes sense.
But you know, if we can't do it, we always have other people that can help us.
Yeah. You must have the people and then you know the other shops in the neighborhood that you can
paint shops, upholstery shops, so we can get a car running. You know, brakes, everything, engine, tranny, and whatever, and then they can go from there. And if it needs anything else, they can always bring it back.
So if you need help, what you need to do is reach out to Dave at Kline VW Repair.